System Restore is one of the most useful Windows features as it allows you to revert your computer to an earlier state in case something goes wrong. But if it doesn't work, these pointers will help you get to the root of the problem. Now your first port of call is to manually create a System Restore point. And to get this started, type in Restore Point, click on the result, click the option labeled Create, then choose a name, wait for the process to be completed, and see if the error message pops up. Next, check if the System Restore is active on all volumes. You can check it by clicking System Restore, click Next, and click Create the Restore Point. Now under Protection Settings, you will see available drives and their protection status. And to change the drive setting, select it, click Configure, then you can either turn on or turn off the System Restore. Additionally, if you're facing difficulties with System Restore, briefly disable your antivirus software early on during your troubleshooting as it may also well fix things. Also, you have to check for your storage. To see how much space you have assigned to this task, open Restore Point, click Create the Restore Point, click the Configure option, and you will be able to tweak your disk space usage. You can try using the slider to increase your allocated space. And those are the following tips on how you can fix Windows System Restore on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.